Hey everyone, I am Rawijan A. Carsenia. My topic for today is computer security. In today's interconnected world, computer security has become an increasingly critical concern, from individuals to multinational corporations. Everyone is susceptible to cyber threats. In this lecture, we'll delve into the fundamental concept of computer security, explore common threats, and discuss effective strategies to safeguard our digital assets. What is computer security? Security, often abbreviated as cybersecurity, is the practice of protecting computer systems and networks from digital attacks. These attacks can range from unauthorized access to data, theft, system disruption, and malicious software. Next is the key concepts in computer security. First is confidentiality. Confidentiality, ensuring that sensitive information is accessible only to authorized individuals. Second is integrity. Integrity, protecting data from unauthorized modification of destruction. Third is availability, guaranteeing that system and data are accessible when needed. Ang confidentiality, ang ibig sabihin nito ay siguraduhin na ang mga important at sensitive na impormasyon ay nakikita o nagagamit lang ng mga unauthorized na tao tulad ng may password o access rights. Ang integrity naman ay tumutukoy ito sa protektahan ng data laban sa hindi tamang pagbabago o pagkasira para siguraduhin tama at original pa rin ang impormasyon. Ang availability naman, ibig sabihin nito ay laging available at ma-access ang system at data kapag kailangan, lalo na sa tamang oras at sitwasyon. Next is common cyber threats. First is malware. Malware, malicious software designed to harm computer system. Second, viruses. Viruses, self-replicating programs that spread to other computer. Third, worms. Worms, self-propagating malware that can spread rapidly. Fourth, trojans. Trojans disguised as legitimate software but contain malicious. Fifth is ransomware. Ransomware encrypt files and demand a ransom from decryption. Six is phishing. Phishing, deceiving individuals into relieving sensitive information through fraudulent emails or message. Seventh is hacking. Hacking unauthorized access to computer system. 8. Denial of service attacks or DOS. Overwhelming a system with traffic. SQL injection. SQL injection, exploiting vulnerabilities in web applications to access or manipulate databases. Next is effective security strategies. First, strong password. Strong password create complex password that combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Second, regular software. Regular software updates keep operating systems and application up to date to patch vulnerabilities. Third is firewall protection. Firewall protection use firewalls to monitor and control network traffic. Fourth is antivirus software. Antivirus software install and regularly update antivirus software to detect and remove malware. Backup regularly. Backup regularly create regular backups of important data to recover from data loss. Next is user awareness and training. User awareness and training educate users about security best practices such as recognizing. Next, encryption. Encryption use encryption to protect sensitive data, making it unreadable to unauthorized individuals. Last is network security. Network security implement measures like intrusion detection system or IDS and intrusion prevention system or IPS to monitor network traffic and block threats. Last is the future of cybersecurity. As technology continues to evolve, so do cyber threats. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things or LOT present new challenges and opportunities. To stay ahead, organizing and individual must adopt a proactive approach to cybersecurity and investing in robust security measures and staying informed about the latest threats. That's all for today. Thank you.